Hello and welcome to Locks. So in today's video, we will explore some hat braid hairstyle for little girls. Hat braids are a fun, trendy and creative hairstyle option for little girls that not only looks adorable, but also let them express their unique style. Whether it's for a school event, Valentine's Day, a birthday party, or just a casual day out, hat braids add a touch of charm and elegance. Hat braids are a playful way to make your little girl's hairstyle stand out. These braids can be customized in various ways to suit different hair lengths and textures. This style is ideal for Valentine's Day, for holidays, school photo days, or family celebrations. When done correctly, hat braids can last several days, making them low maintenance. Single hat cornrow braids. This is a simple yet elegant style where a single hat shape is braided into the hair. This style is perfect for beginners and look amazing on natural or relaxed hair. Double hat braids with beads. Double the fun with two hat shapes on either side of the head. Add playful beads at the ends for a playful finish. Side swept hat cornrows. A stylish option where the hat design is braided on one side, leaving the rest of the hair free for ponytails or buns. Hat braid crown. Create a halo effect by braiding hat shapes around the head like a crown. This style is perfect for weddings or formal events. Hat braids with high bun. Combine a sleek high bun with braided hair patterns for a chic and sophisticated look. Feed-in hat braids. Feed-in braids give a natural look with neat and smooth hat patterns. Ideal for kids with long or medium length hair. Tips for creating hat braids. Use the right tools. A rat tail comb, hair gel, and edge control are essential for clean parts and smooth braids. Be gentle. Little girls have sensitive scalps, so braid gently to avoid discomfort. Enhance the look with beads, ribbons, or colorful elastics. If you are new to braiding, practice on a mannequin or watch tutorials for guidance. Here are tips on how to maintain hat braids. Wrap the hair in a silk or satin scarf at night to prevent frizz. Apply a light oil or leave-in conditioner to keep the scalp moisturized. Avoid excessive manipulation to keep the braids intact longer. Hat braid hairstyle are a delightful way to make little girls feel special and stylish. From simple designs to more intricate patterns, these hairstyles are sure to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. With a little creativity and care, you can create beautiful hat braids that your little one will love. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new hairstyle inspiration. Until next time, bye.